That's crazy.
Yeah, she can come back down here too, don't worry. Engine disassembly, where you can disassemble an engine and it teaches you about the different parts of it. So this is for root cause analysis, figuring out what's wrong with the engine. Right here on the right we have, are you finished? Mm-hmm. I can take this for you. Right here, this is our Cessna pre-flight, so you can run through an hour-long session where it teaches you to do an entire Cessna pre-flight. I'm also going to go ahead and run Mission ISS on this. If anyone wants to try, they can come over here and see that. So the other one we have is Mission ISS, where it brings you through an entire tour of the International Space Station and all of its modules. And you can even go on a spacewalk and go around and analyze all the different parts of it. So the one of it is, we work with our faculty on campus to build these and tailor to their classes. So some classes even teach about the different modules of the International Space Station. So their students will come in here and they'll go into the session and they'll start going around the space station and use it for their classes. Anyone have any questions?
It's actually pretty small and enough to need to move the way that they put the funding for the media. The wall construction you see behind us, that big.
Hey guys, is he doing his private already? Yeah. Gotcha. I think that gives like a 20-degree drop in 5 minutes. So in summer when it's like it's gonna come down, yeah, it helps a lot. You're welcome. I'm pretty impressed with this.
I did forget to turn on the recording until the first group was about halfway through the scenario, which is where the fun was at.